skin, girl. Your skin just like pearl.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create Beyonce's Lion King premiere dress, and it's going to be super easy. I'm not gonna lie to you, you gotta have a lot of patience if you're gonna create this, but after you finish you will love it and you will be proud of yourself like I was. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get into the video, you could just go ahead, hit the like button. I'll wait. You get it? Good. Hit the like button and don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to your girl. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button too if you haven't already hit it. All right, let's get right into it. Goodwill. So I came here the other day just to make sure the blazer was here. And I am going to go with this one. Oh, it's still in the same spot. So I'm going to go with this one. First thing we're going to need for this video is E6000 glue, some jewels from Hobby Lobby, the blazer from Goodwill, and I also got this tulle from Hobby Lobby as well. I bought 2 yards. Okay, let's get started. First things first, we're going to grab the beads and the E6000 glue, and also these beads too. First thing we're going to do is start putting the jewels. Now I kind of not mess up, but what you want to do first is put in the big jewels before you put in the small ones. Then you could put the small ones all around. So far I did one side off camera and I did one side the back off camera. I'm not done. So what I am going to do is show you a little bit of how I do this side, and I'm going to complete it off camera and show you the overall look. So, and also as you can see, I ran out of E6000 glue. What I would suggest is for you to purchase like at least 2 to 3 bottles of E6000 glue, and that's because you will need it. Now when you are doing this, and how I did it, at first I was just like going all around the jacket, and that wasn't working. So, and if you look at Beyonce's jacket, it's like this type of design going on. It's not just like one here, one here, one here. It's kind of like an S or a question mark, or you want to do like swirly lines in order for you to accomplish this. So, for example, you want to do like a question mark. You want to do stuff like that. And you definitely will need everything, all of this. another, like I found this, I have like a whole bunch of diamond stones everywhere from another project I did. So this is this, and I cut it and I put it around the collar, and I'm gonna do the same for the rest. Also, the tool, what I'm gonna do with the tool is I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom. So I'm going to do that. I'm gonna hand sew it on the blazer. Hey everybody, so it is the next day. Okay, I'm lying, it's not the next day. It's actually a few weeks from then. Fabric glue worked so much better for me for this project. Some project, the E6000 glue works better, but for this one, I do recommend to just use fabric glue. And we're going to cut pieces to put it around the jacket, and what I used was the fabric glue to install it, and I'll just show you one. So you want to take it and then cut it. I didn't really measure it, I just cut it. So you want to cut a piece and put 2 little dabs, and believe it or not, it's going to stick. So what we're going to do for the bottom is we're going to put this, remember this from the collar. Some more. Alright, everybody, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and you try something creative, and maybe you try this dress too. And if there's something else that you want me to try and to create, let me know. I will be more than happy to, if it's reasonable. Just saying. Sometimes people go crazy. If it's reasonable, I'll be more than happy to go ahead and create it. But you guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.